Recently there's his brother, he told us an incredible reminder, a story that happened to him, and it just moved me, subhanAllah, to tears, and I thought I need to share this with you guys. So basically what happened is that there's his brother, he went to the masjid on the 25th of December, Christmas Day, to spend some time just by himself, read some Quran, made dua, and now he's in like a really good place, and he leaves the masjid, and as soon as he steps outside, he sees a poor guy waiting for him, and he gets annoyed. He's like, oh man, this guy is like literally waiting for me to harass me. And the poor guy came up to him, asked him for some money, and his brother said, you know what, I'm not going to give you any money, but I'll buy you some food. Fair enough. However, every restaurant was actually closed because it's Christmas Day, apart from one, he said, which is so expensive he doesn't even take his own family there, let alone feed somebody else there. So he looked at his wallet, it was only £20 notes. He thought, oh, that's too much to give. So he took a 20 out and he gave it to the brother, this guy, this poor guy, and he said to him, look, go in that restaurant and buy yourself something small to eat and give me the change. So anyway, what happened is that now this poor guy goes inside the restaurant and he doesn't come back out again. And the brother's getting really frustrated. He's like, first he took my money, now he's wasting my time as well. Because I went inside the restaurant, stormed in, like fully intending to have an argument, and I see that poor guy sitting on the table with a whole spread of food in front of him, all these dishes, and he's tucking in. And I got quite mad, and I said to him, look, you told me you're going to meet me outside with my money, or the change at least. What are you doing here? He just lifted up his hand and said, here's your £20, brother. The guy behind the counter is an owner, and he saw that I'm poor, and he said, whatever you want, take it for free. So here's your £20 back. Now the brother, he got happy. He thought, oh well, I've got my £20 back. It's like I gave sadaqah and got it back straight away. He comes home to his wife, says, look, just like the Prophet said, sadaqah doesn't decrease your wealth. I gave this 20, this is what happened, and I got it back straight away. Isn't that amazing? His wife said, not really, that's not how it went down. See, what really happened is that Allah gave you an opportunity to give sadaqah, and you frowned at that opportunity. So Allah took that opportunity and gave it to the other person, the owner of the restaurant. As for your £20, Allah took it back and threw it back in your face. Subhanallah. Now when the brother's saying that, he starts to tear up, and he's like, you know what, I learned a lesson that day. And the lesson was, if ever Allah gives you a chance to do any opportunity of good, even if it's small like this, never turn it down. Always do it willingly and thankfully. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq.